Hello, I am Bill Lutz, and this is another Inspired By video. And today we're going to be talking about What's Up with Bill, my favorite video, and amazing Amazon tools. So if you want to know who I'm inspired by, it's David Picciuto of Make Something. Yes, Mr. Make Something himself. In fact, David said, make something, and I got shivers. So I did. I made an ice pick and a bottle opener. So we'll just take a second to have an intro and then we'll get right to it. Cue intro. Hey, thanks for helping out, Chuck. Oh man. Oh, sorry, I got an itch. Hey, Chuck, does these pants make my butt look big? Oh, okay. Alright. How are you doing? Well, let's get right to it. What's up with Bill? Well, recently I've been getting some troll talk, and people have been saying, dude, you're just dropping names. Dude, you're not original at all. And I say, get yourself some Picciuto bling and don't be jelly, troll. Come on. Thank you. So my favorite video for this week is this one. Hello? This video is favorite this week. And lastly, what's my favorite tool from Amazon.com? Well, if you don't believe that an amazing book can be a tool, well, then you're a tool. This book, written by Mr. David Picciuto, is pretty fucking awesome. Check it out. Seriously, David's one of my heroes. His channel is awesome. His how-to videos are so professionally done. The editing, everything about them, he's great. His show is absolutely fun, and I can't tell you enough how much I'm honored that I got to meet him and his beautiful wife Kelly. And anyway, so I was inspired. I wanted to make something Bandsaw-y-ish, and it's certainly not the caliber of something in here. But this is my Bandsaw box kind of thing, pencil holder video. Check it out. And if there's anything you want to know, how to braze aluminum, Picciuto, how to make a miter sled, Picciuto, how to make something, Picciuto. I mean, how to make your own paper and print something amazing on it. Oh, Picciuto. Oh, and you want to make an absolute amazing picture frame to put this amazing piece of paper that you made and you printed something on it? Picciuto. I think you get the point. Let's check it out.
Sustaining these airstrikes. The follow-through will be the issue. We are, as everybody knows, in the middle of a presidential campaign here at home. Some of the Republican presidential candidates have been attacking President Obama quite vigorously for not being aggressive enough on ISIS. Let me quote Senator Ted Cruz from Texas, who said, "I recognize Barack Obama does not wish to defend this country." So, are you hearing any concrete plans from these critics to do something different on ISIS?
Well, I think they will really take a hard look at this now. They have to take a hard look at this now. And you just heard Matt Olson say, but this is a real law enforcement problem at this point. Yes, they're doing this militarily. They're going after training camps. There was a training camp in Afghanistan.